to increase the amount of money you make from your Shopify store, you don't need to get new customers. You just need to make sure that every customer that shops with you spends more in every transaction. Let's think about this. Let's just say you want to make $10,000 a month on your online store. We break that down to about $2,500 a week. Now, in order to make $2,500 a week, you need to get 100 customers to spend $25 with you, which means you need to find 100 new customers every single week. Now, imagine you could get those customers to not spend $25 with you, but to spend $50 with you. That means you would need to get half the amount of customers, which means half the amount of work for the same output. And this is where average order value comes in. Now, this was a secret I unlocked on my Shopify store when I found a couple of apps that helped me increase my average order value. And I want to share with you those apps today. These are apps that I've tried and tested. I've tried hundreds of different apps. In fact, I've been in e-commerce for over 15 years. I've run many million-dollar stores, and I work with over 250 different brands inside the e-commerce academy. So I know what apps are going to be good. So I'm going to pick out the top 3 apps that are going to help you increase your average order value and cover them off in today's video. And if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I put everything I mentioned down below in the description so it's easy for you to follow along. So let's get into app number 1. The first app to increase your average order value is called Bogos. Now, if you're new to retail, BOGO stands for buy one, get one. And it's a strategy that a lot of retailers use to increase average order value because they say if you buy this one thing, you're going to get this other thing. And the thing that you choose to buy should be above what your average order value is. So it's usually buy something and get a free gift, or buy something and get something at another discount. Now, the Bogos app is a bit of an all-in-one app, and I wouldn't usually recommend all-in-one apps, but these all work together really well. And it has 3 core functionality that you're going to want to use. The first is the buy one, get one, where you get a free gift. And the way it works is if you add a product into your cart and you set up the gift to work correctly, it's going to add automatically in the cart as a discount or a complete free gift. That's sort of the first one. The second one is what we call multi-buy discounts. And this is where if people buy 1 or 2 of the item, you can give them a discount on the second or the third or the fourth or the fifth, no matter how many tiers that you have. This works really well on apparel stores or stores where someone could buy your item once or 2 or 3 or 4 times and you reward them for that. Other people call this bulk discounting, but basically it's a multi-buy offer. I use this on one of my stores, which is my boxing store, and we sell boxing shorts. And you know, if you're into boxing, if you box 2 or 3 times a week, you're gonna have to wear different shorts every time. So we offer that with a multi-buy discount. We're also doing this on our coffee store. So if you buy 2 or 3 bottles of coffee, you're gonna get a discount as opposed to just buying 1. And guess what that does? That increases people's average order value. And then the third thing that the Bogos app does, which I really love, is bundling. And bundling is an amazing way to increase the average order value because what you can do is bundle together products that people might use together. So if I use my boxing store as an example, what we do is we bundle a pair of boxing gloves, we bundle some wraps, and we bundle some shorts so people can buy it all in one kit. So instead of them just buying a pair of boxing shorts for $60, they're gonna buy the boxing shorts, the boxing gloves, and the boxing wraps for $160. So you can see what happens there. We've increased that average order value from $60 to $160, and it works really well. Now, the second app that I love to use is what we call a post-purchase upsell. Now, you may have seen these before. The way it basically works is when someone makes a purchase with you and they've completed the checkout, they've put the credit card details in, and then the thank you page comes up. What we do there is we give them an offer to upsell based on what they've just purchased. Now, this works exceptionally well because if someone's already made a purchase with you, they're in a positive, satisfied state of mind. So if we put another offer in front of them, it's basically a super easy yes for them to buy the thing. Now, I'll give you an example of where this works really well. Let's just say someone's buying a bottle of coffee and they know they need 1 bottle of coffee. Then they go through the checkout and they've bought the bottle of coffee. Now they've made the purchase and then something pops up and says, hey, for the next 5 minutes, you can buy another bottle of coffee for 25% off. All you have to do is click yes, I want the coffee, and we'll send it out to you. Now, the cool thing about this is they've already bought the thing, and you know what? If they can get another one for a quarter of the price or a third of the price or whatever it is, they're gonna click yes, right? Because they're already wanting to buy the thing. So this works exceptionally well again with multi-buys. But you could do other things. Like the other upsell we do on the coffee store is if someone buys a bottle of coffee, we might send them a little measuring jug or a glass, and we put that into an offer. And the same sort of thing, it says in the next 5 minutes, you can get this for 50% off, but you must act now. The cool thing about this is it's frictionless. All they need to do is click yes, it automatically charges their credit card, and it goes back into their order. Now, the tool that we use for this is called Cart Hook. It is a post-purchase upsell tool. It's very popular. It has has great reviews on the Shopify App Store, and it makes it really easy to use. The other awesome thing about this app is that you can run split tests, you can work out which offers work better than other offers, you can test different scenarios, and you can see which one is going to make you the most money. So if you think about this, you're selling a bottle of coffee for $30, but then you sell a second bottle on top of that, increasing your average order value again. So you can sort of see the tricks of the trade that we're using here. Now, the third app we recommend is what we call a slide out drawer. And this is a really interesting addition to your Shopify store. So picture this, when someone's using your store, they go through and they click add to cart. Now this little cart slides out on the side and says, we've now added this to your cart, but did you know if you spend XYZ, you're going to get this in return? You might get a discount, you might get free shipping, you might get a gift, you might get anything. And they call that a motivator. Now these motivators are super powerful because it gamifies someone's experience. So what we want to do is install an app which we call Upcart. Now Upcart's one of my favorite ones for these slide out carts because it looks really native to your store and doesn't look like you're sort of a tacky add-on or anything like that. Now the other cool thing about Upcart is that it has a number of different features to increase your average order value. Not only does it have the motivators, but it has suggested products, which is fueled by AI and machine learning to recommend the right products to the visitor that is adding to cart. The other add-on it has is called shipping protection. Now shipping protection is a great little add-on. You can add $1 or $2 to every single order to protect the customer's shipping. So often orders might go missing or they might get damaged, and someone might want to pay that little bit extra to offer protection for that. And it's a really nice way to increase your average order value. The other cool thing about this app is not just about average order value, but it has lots of trust signals. It has lots of other little things that you can do, little gimmicks to try and help your customer spend a little bit more, trust you, and overall increase your conversion rates and your average order value. Now, all these three apps can be used at the same time because they offer upsells throughout the entire customer journey. So imagine someone's buying a bundle, they're adding it to the cart, they then get given a motivator to spend a little bit more, and then when they make the purchase, they get given another offer. So you could actually have 3 individual ways to increase your average order value. Now, installing all these apps will help you increase your average order value. I can almost guarantee it. But if you did want a little bit of help and you weren't aware, I do run an e-commerce bootcamp, and the main outcome of that bootcamp is to help people to get from $0 to $10,000 a month on their Shopify store. It's an amazing community. We have over 200 e-commerce entrepreneurs in there, all trying to get to $10,000 a month. We've had many of those go to $10,000 a month and beyond. So if that's something that you're interested in, I have a link down below if you want to join, and I'd love to see you on the inside. In the meantime, I've got lots of videos around here that you could watch that YouTube thinks is going to be super beneficial to wherever you are in your e-commerce journey.